Guys, welcome to our first ever episode of One Adventure at a Time. Welcome to the channel. My name is George. This is Crazy. Where's she at? Molly, my traveling partner. Today's adventure, I want to tell you guys that I am in, where are we at? We are in Westport. See if we can see it there. Westport, Washington State. All the way here in the West Coast. This is what Westport looks like. I'm officially on 101. Snowing. So that is Oregon over there, and I gotta take that bridge in order to get to Oregon. I'm still in Washington State. The snow stopped. There's a bridge that connects from Washington State back there. We are officially in Oregon. Look how beautiful this place is. It's a cruise ship down there, houses on the hill. Yo, this place is dope, man. Una montaña. This is insane. I'm driving on the Pacific Ocean. Over here they let you drive on the beach. Molly, what do you think about this? Pacific Ocean. Dinner's being made. Let me show you how beautiful this place is. Look at that. Over here in the Pacific, in Oregon. Look at my view right now. I'm in the middle of a mountain right here in Oregon, in the middle of a snowstorm. Ice everywhere. Ooh, look at that, how much ice there's on the road. I gotta be careful. Holy crap. It's a little dangerous. Holy shit. I might have to turn back. I'm not even gonna lie. This is not cool. Oh, I didn't even think it was gonna get this bad. Just so you can have an idea of how much snow there is. Look at that. Literally going down this damn mountain. No service. Just going down the mountain. Got my setup for the night.
To optimum conditions between arcs.
Ready to set camp. Found this little spot out here somewhere, hidden. Just cook my food back there. See you guys tomorrow. Oh, look at this place, how pretty. On the side of the highway. We are in Twin Falls. We spend the night over here in the hotel. So I'm over here driving in Twin Falls and I pass over this bridge and it looks amazing. Look at this. Whew. Look at this spot, how beautiful right here. Guys, if you ever go on a road trip and it's snowing like this, make sure you get yourself some winter tires. I got myself some Arctic Claws. I'm telling you, without this I'll be stuck here probably. Look at this. Look at how deep. Whew. Guys, we made it to Colorado. I don't know if you can see me, but we made it. We are in the state line of Utah. That's Utah over there. It's wonderful, colorful Colorado. It's been one hell of a drive. Woo! My legs hurt. Made it just in time to catch a sunset. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next episode. Woo! Alright bro. Anyways, like I was saying, I'll see you on the next episode.